Scraping through. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, scraped through. This phrase is common in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. Let's get started. Scraped through is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to barely succeed in something, often by a very small margin or with great difficulty. It's usually used when someone has achieved a goal, but only just, and probably not in a very impressive way. For example, if someone says, "I scraped through my final exams," it means they passed, but probably with the minimum required grades or effort. The phrase, scraped through, has a visual and almost physical connotation. Imagine something narrowly fitting through a tight space. It scrapes the sides but still manages to get through. This imagery helps to understand why the phrase implies achieving something with difficulty. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday English. 1. I didn't study much for the test, but I somehow scraped through. 2. Our team scraped through to the finals, thanks to that last-minute goal. Understanding synonyms can also help you better grasp the meaning of scraped through. Similar phrases include barely passed, just made it, eked out a victory. Each of these carries a similar meaning of achieving something but with great difficulty. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, scraped through. We hope this has helped you understand and use this expression more confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice using it in your own sentences. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.